Today we're going to be going over problem number 6 from the target round. The problem reads, given the positive integers m and n satisfy the equation 3 times m divided by n equals m plus n, what is the value of m plus n? So to start off, let's just simplify this equation that we have by multiplying both sides by n to get 3m equals nm plus n squared. And then if we move both m terms over to the left side, we get 3m minus nm equals n squared. And then simplifying so that only m is on the left side, we get m equals n squared over 3 minus n. So if we pause right here and we look at this equation, we know that m has to be a positive integer. So for m to be positive, then 3 minus n has to be positive. So n has to be less than 3. Let's remember that because it's going to be important later. Now let's look more at the right side of this equation. We need n squared to be divisible by 3 minus n. Now, if we look at 3 minus n, if we take 3 minus n times 3 plus n, that's difference of squares. That gives us 9 minus n squared. So if we multiply both sides of this equation by -1, we get -3 minus n times 3 plus n equals -9 minus n squared, or n squared minus 9. So moving things around in this equation, we get that n squared equals -3 minus n times 3 plus n plus 9. Substituting that back into our original equation, we get that m equals, so substituting this back into the original equation, we get m equals -3 minus n times 3 plus n plus 9 over 3 minus n. And that simplifies to m equals -3 plus n plus 9 over 3 minus n. And now, again, we know that m has to be an integer. So 9 divided by 3 minus n must be an integer. So 9 is divisible by 3 minus n. So we know that n is less than 3, again, from this over here. And we know that 3 minus n has to divide 9. And for a number to divide 9, we know that only 1, 3, and 9 divide 9. N can't be 9 or 3, so n has to be 1. And if n equals 1, then m equals -3 plus 1 plus, or well, we know that I made a mistake. I apologize. We know that 9 is divided by 9, 3, or 1. And we know that n has to be a positive integer less than 3. So we can't get that 3 minus n is equal to 3 or 9. So 3 minus n equals 1 and n equals 2. I apologize greatly for that. So if n equals 2, then m equals -3 plus 2 plus 9 over 3 minus 2, or -5 plus 9, or 4. So n equals 2, m equals 4, and m plus n equals 6. And we're done. Thank you very much.
This is Tim. Hope you're enjoying our videos. If so, you know what to do: like, subscribe, turn on notifications, all that sort of thing. But what I'd really want to invite you to do is to send us an email at media@mathleague.org. Tell us which problems you'd like to see us cover next in our video series. Take care and see you in the next video.